Welcome to East 11th Street, where comfort, convenience, and campus proximity combine for the best of student living in New York. Your stunning non-ensuite apartment features a full-sized bed, clean sheets, and soft pillows to sleep like you're on a cloud, and a roomy closet to simplify your daily scramble for outfits. Run through your weekend watch list on your new smart TV and enjoy. Your perks also include weekly housekeeping for hygiene, laundry facilities for extra convenience, and lightning-fast Wi-Fi for uninterrupted connectivity. If you ever feel like sipping on some sunlight or talking to the moon, just head up to the scenic rooftop. Stay close to popular universities with a quick walk leading you to Hult International Business School and Cooper Union, so you can say goodbye to hectic commutes. With the buses at First Avenue just a blink away and the nearest subway at Astor Place located close by, you can kickstart your Big Apple adventures with seamless ease. So, visit amberstudent.com for your unforgettable NYC Uni experience at East 11th Street now.